On the other side, in the evening of 11 November, fog also reached near to the American steamer, the ship which was going to move towards Yokohama. So, John informed them this is the ship which can take you to Yokohama. So, Fogg asked him to stop the ship and he will give him more money for this purpose. So, the captain of the smaller ship showed a flag as well as a small candle. Small candle means फायर जो है जलाई जाती है इन अ स्मॉल पीस to ask for help to another people. It is a survival trick mostly used in jungle and water bodies. So finally the ship stopped and all the three went on the American boat. The General Grant was going to stop at Yokohama for 66 hours, and this time fog was going to use for searching Passepartout. As they reached Yokohama, they start searching for Passepartout. So from Carnatic, they came to know that one French man with the name of Passepartout has arrived this city last day. Fog, Fog don't want to waste even 1 second to search his loyal valet. After searching for little time, Oda was so afraid. She was thinking that now they won't be able to meet Patsy part out. Suddenly, Fogg saw the advertisement done by the group of Cleon uh, at one corner of the road, and at the same time, he remembered that Patsy Partout knows about the circus, and as a man who would leave no stone unturned, immediately brought to tickets. So this line tell us about the character of the fog ऐसा इंसान है जो क्या है, अगर किसी चीज़ के होने का थोड़ा सा भी चांस हो तो वो उसे भी ज़रूर करता है. सो for this reason he bought 2 tickets of circus. He and Oda went to see the performance of the clowns and other artists. And as the human pyramid appeared, Fogg stood up and shouted, "Passy part out." As Passepartout saw his master, he was so happy. A big smile came on his mind, and he did not care about the pyramid. We can say he forgot about the pyramid and ran toward his friend plus master. And for this reason, the whole all other people fell down. The whole pyramid, we can say pyramid, clashed due to the fog due to Passepartout as he ran out of the pyramid, and three of them, Fog, Oda, and Passepartout, ran out of the circus. Passepartout was so sorry about his fault, but they were having no time for explanation, and Fogg asked him to buy some cloth, asked Passepartout to buy some cloth for himself and get on a ship to start their journey once again. So this chapter moved in two sides. In one side, the Passepartout has reached Yokohama, and there he was alone, afraid, and uh, finally he gets the job of a job in a circus. And why he does that job? Because he want to have food. Other side of the chapter is both Fog and Oda lost their touch with Passepartout, and then as a loyal master, Fog find out his loyal valet and do each and every effort